Alright, geothermal energy is a new technology in a sense. Using geothermal energy is non-pollutant and it is 100% renewable because it's from the earth. Unlike fossil fuels, it is completely it's not going to run out and it doesn't take millions of years to renew. If we figure out how to harness the power of geothermal, we will have a future of technology and power throughout all of our lives.
Places geothermal is used: Iceland, California, New Zealand, Australia, and many, many more. Geothermal is 30% of the Earth's power in the whole entire world.
Exactly how much energy does a geothermal power plant produce each year? Geothermal plants can produce 62,000 kilowatts an hour per year.
Geothermal heat has been used and recorded as far back as the 3rd century BCE, and the first ever generator was created and tested on July 4th, 1904. 100% non-pollutant and 100% renewable.
Geothermal is our way out of the fossil fuel age and to start a new slate on this planet. In this video, we will be taking from the whole world of geothermal just to breaking it down into a household perspective of geothermal. Full screen.
So here's the Earth. In countries like Canada, seasons come and go. In the summer months, it can be quite warm. And in the winter, very cold. While the temperature of the surface of the Earth changes with the seasons, the temperature of the ground below the surface does not. Even at just 2 meters under the ground, it is about 15 degrees Celsius, all year round. Geothermal takes advantage of this consistent temperature and uses it to heat homes. So how does it work? First, a large hole is made into the ground and filled with a series of pipes. A special heat-absorbing fluid constantly runs through the pipes. In the winter, heat from the ground is absorbed into the pipes and pushed upwards, where it can be circulated throughout the house. In the summer, the process is reversed. Heat from the house is absorbed into the pipes and pushed downwards, where it can be stored within the cooler earth. So what are the benefits of geothermal heating? Well, for one, you can save a lot of money. Geothermal uses way less energy to operate, and this means a heating bill that is up to 70% lower than that of a traditional heating system. Secondly, geothermal uses no fossil fuels like oil or gas and is therefore 100% non-polluting.
Hi, I'm Sadie. I'm in Mr. R's third period integrated science class, and our alternative energy is geothermal. Geothermal energy is the energy that's stored inside Earth. Temperature and pressure cause rock to melt and create magma, and that creates the heat for geothermal energy. Geothermal is a renewable resource, renewable and environmentally friendly, can be used to heat homes and generate electricity.
So this is the 2 types of ways to use geothermal. Geothermal energy can be used in large plants, provide energy for multiple buildings and homes. Geothermal energy can also be used in individual homes, though pipes that are dug underneath the home are either opened or closed to provide or trap heat.
Step to your left just a little so I can see you. Go ahead.
How it works. It uses turbines and power plants similar to hydroelectric and wind, and there's 3 methods it uses. The first one is it directs steam towards the turbines. The second method is to draw extremely hot water from underground, so it flashes into steam and then it directs it to the turbines. And the third, it uses heat exchanger to transfer heat into a fluid that is then directed to a turbine.
Environmental effects. The fluids drawn from Earth release noxious gases that contribute to global warming, acid rain, and noxious smells. Plants that experience high levels of acids and volatile chemicals use emission control system.
Why geothermal energy is the best. Geothermal energy has minimal land and freshwater requirements. The energy production doesn't rely on weather variables like wind. It doesn't have specific natural requirements, and it doesn't require much land, only requires 10% of the land needed by a solar farm. And that's why geothermal is the best.